Hello. I haven't done this in a while. I don't know if I'm doing everything right. It'll probably be fine. Okay, let's see. Do I have my IDE up? I forgot at least one thing. Alright. I think we're good. Okay, I'm just gonna be a moment. Okay, I might do that. Okay, I think we're good. And we got the... And we got... Okay, wait, Is it that? No. Is it that? Yes. Okay. I think I've got everything. A little bit disorganized, but it'll be okay. Alright then. So today I wanted to do a little bit of refactoring on my silly little game. I don't know how many of you have seen it. I don't think I worked on it before. Since, what am I saying? Factory debut. Oh wait, is that true? Clips leader 1. That's a badge you can have now. That's quiet fire. #1 clipper. Anyway, yeah, we've got the house like carpet, and you can place squares. That's about it. So I wanted to do a little bit of refactoring because there's some things I don't like in the code base, and that's basically the plan, I guess. I don't know how I'm gonna start this. What is refactoring? It's like rewriting code in a different way to make it cleaner or better or something like that. Okay. I haven't even worked with this code base for a while. Is it like mathematics factorization? No, not really. Okay. So I guess really what I want to be doing is... I don't know how to... Okay. So I want to, because right now what I've kind of been building this as with the inheritance design pattern. Like if you look at any other building, it's like inherits resource storage, which inherits building, and so there's like several levels of inheritance here. And then this was all fine, except I fell for the trap of using inheritance again, because as soon as I realized I wanted the town center building to be able to have 2 storage modules attached, then suddenly we had to do this, which is these, and we basically have 2 instances of buildings that are completely created for the purpose of, like, these only exist for the town center storage, and these are based off of the storage module, which is based off the resource storage. And so basically if you want to have like, well, this is basically composition, but in like an extremely annoying way because it's mostly inheritance, but if you want composition, you can do that, I guess. It's just a bit messy, so I guess the goal is to not do this anymore. I want to be completely using composition and preferably have most of it in the editor rather than in code. So it's time to figure out how to do that. Also, is the music at a good volume? Because I don't know, I can't tell really. Did the buildings inherit your gene? What on earth do you mean by that? So yeah, I guess the first thing I'm gonna do is make the building class no longer abstract. Oh, I'm gonna have to do a lot of stuff. This is gonna break a lot of things. You said inheritance a lot. True, I did. Okay, so we don't want this to be abstract anymore. I would rather this be exported. I don't really need this because we're not replacing the model like that anymore. We need that. So we're gonna have an export public int cost. If this is just get, I'm guessing that's gonna cause problems. Because I don't know if... I don't know if Godot will be happy with this just being a get. Oops. Like, I guess I'll find out. Where the hell is here? I gotta be using Hyperland. This... I'm gonna be able to switch through windows better. Because it's kind of awkward right now, anyway. So... Okay, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. New scene, I guess. 3D. I'm gonna add the building script. The building has to inherit from node actually, so I can create it. I can fix this, I guess. So I'm gonna make the town center first, I guess. No, actually, I just want quick load building. Failed to build project, of course. Okay, nothing's gonna compile. Ever, I just realized. And I forgot about that, so... whatever. I'll be fine. Oh, where's the thing I wanted? I think it was that. Okay. Yep. So, first thing's done. Oh, what? What did I do? So we don't need to do anything for the model since we can do that in editor really easily. Cost, whatever. Unplaced. Can probably use a signal for these. Probably do public void. And I have to remember how to do signals. On what? On... What was the code I just deleted? On place, on turn start, on turn end. Okay. There is an ad break in 5 minutes. Okay, I thought that was now. I was looking at that like, why is there a 5-minute ad break? That's kind of a long time. Got an ad. The ads are meant to be in 5 minutes. Maybe we have pre-rolls on. Oh, I think we do have pre-rolls on. Thanks, Twitch. Okay, well I have that now. How the hell do you do signals? Go signals. Please, please. How do you write the... Okay, here we go. Wait, no. This is not helpful. Okay, now I know. Now I know how you do signals, I guess. So, signal... The public delegate void... That... how do you emit them then? Emit signal. Okay. Wait, what? Huh? It's like 1,000 times more complicated than anything I know how to do yet, and I think that's very cool. Yay. Wait, why is it? Oh, because I think I need to compile the code. I guess. So that's just gonna be an error. Why can't I just take in a string or something? Unless it does. Oh, how convenient. Whoops. Okay, 16 seconds till ads. Again. Thanks, Twitch. Okay, so that's those done. Right. So what the hell do I do now? Okay, well... I suppose... Okay, wait. What's the best way to go about doing this? So I think the next thing I need to do is set up these storage modules. That's probably gonna need a refactor too. Glad I'm making these changes now. So I guess I'll do this in storage module. Although... That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, so I'm gonna have to have resource storage open there. Storage module open here. Wait, I'll have... What? Building open there? No, what am I doing? I'm building here. Resource storage here. And storage module here. So I basically want to do storage module in... Sorry, resource storage in this script. I want to extend from just regular node, I guess. Really everything. So, we're gonna have an I'm just gonna rewrite this so I can like actually think about what this code does better. That's why I'm not just renaming the resource storage script. Public int capacity. Okay, that should be good. And the public int contents. I guess we'll do protected set. Okay, I remember this is used somewhere. So we'll do look in deposit. If contents less than or equal, greater than or equal to capacity, then we want to calculate the excess, which is contents minus capacity. We set contents to be equal to the capacity, and then we return excess, I guess. Otherwise we just return 0. Say that there's no excess. Seems like a weird way to do it, but okay, whatever. No, surely there's a better way. Is there a better way to indicate what excess actually means in this situation? Okay, whatever. I think that's a problem for later. Okay, so type slash true. Actually, I should leave a note. Fix later. Please. It fixes 90% of bugs. Oh wait, true. You're right. Why is this being weird? Can you be normal, please? What? Why is there a... Okay, whatever. So if content is... what, less than 0... Oh look, I left a convenient comment here. Adds... negative... value of the storage content into the amount, so that no extra resources are brought into existence. What did I mean? What do I mean by this? Wait, so we're withdrawing some amount. So we're removing that amount from the contents. Hi Cubifier. Hello, how are you? And then if the content is less than 0, then we're... Oh, okay, I see what this means. Why not check if contents are less than amount first? I don't know. Hi Dazka. So we're adding... Okay, I get it. That's actually pretty simple. It's basically if it's a negative number, then we add that back to make it 0, to make contents be 0. Hardcode every oh, true. Okay, so if contents equals 1 and amount is 1, then content equals 0 and return 1. Else if content is 2 and amount equals 1, contents equals 1, return 1. Okay. Else if equals 3 and amount equals 1, content equals 2, return 1. Okay, I think we're making considerable progress here. At least that was a better way to do this. If content equals 4, I have to get this to like a point where it's quite absurd. And then I'm gonna post it on Blue Sky. Return a random number every time to spice it up. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna put a mistake in. You know what, this is too organized. If the amount is 4, he could never match that. That is true. Wait. Okay, no, the math is getting too complicated. And hardest programming challenge is arithmetic. That is true. This guy. There has to be an easier way. Post. Yay. If you set contents to a random number, it might be right. Oh, wait, true. And then you don't have to worry about, like... You know. Then you don't have to do the maths. So it's easier. Can you like my post on Blue Sky? Okay. Which one? I was here, there isn't. Okay. I liked it. what are we doing here? Okay, so now I want to return around. Okay, and I think that's it. Although there is the initialization bit which we have to do now, so... Okay. Public, wait, this shouldn't be virtual anymore. Public what? Public void on placed, I guess. This is where we do the initialization and stuff. I have to remember to attach it, to subscribe it to the, what's it called? The signal thing. Cause I'm gonna forget. Okay, so when we place it, then I'm gonna have to go to the storage no. There's like a... There's a way you do this. I don't know what it is. Resources. What? Dot. Am I missing a unit? Oh, I am. Let's try software. Okay. Dot add. Hi, I'm your not a number fan. Thanks, QB, for liking my blue sky post. If you're still here, true. Okay, wait, what I want to do is I want to have... I think I can go export... Public... Surely there's an enum for this. Resource... Oh, resource type. There is, how convenient. Okay. Let me just... Okay, I probably have to use a switch statement here. Switch resource. Case resource type dot what? Gold. Because that's number 0. Thank you, Dazila Car, for liking my blue sky post. Wait, you're blowing up. What do I... What was I even gonna write here? Oh yeah. Resources dot add gold storage to system. This. Oh no. It's okay, I'll fix that later. Travis Scott. Oh my. Add food storage to the system. This. What error message am I gonna do? Error new exception. Oh. Okay, no, I need to write a better error message. Okay, probably works, but I can't test it because everything's broken. Right. Although... to be fair... this should be pretty much everything we need in order to make the thing I want to make. So like... that's probably something. So I want to have another node. And this is going to be the food module. Wait, food storage. That is not how you spell storage. And I want to quick load the storage module script. And I'm not going to be able to assign anything because I can't compile the project. Folder buildings. Wait, no, this shouldn't be in here. I don't have a folder for it. I can't remember what you would usually name this folder. Entities, I think. Okay. So I've got that, and now I'm gonna have to fix all the errors. Yay. Gold storage. Okay, I'm just gonna delete the gold storage. Yes, please, gone. Oh, there's more errors now. Really, is more test building? Well, you're gone now. Food storage dot capacity. Okay, we can delete that one. Can delete both of these. And now we're down to 10. Delete test building. I think we can delete town center. That's not doing anything anymore, right? So now we're down to 1. No, that can't be right. There's an error right there. In this script right here. What do you mean there's only one error? That doesn't make any sense. Oh well. Not my problem. Right, so... the issue we're having is this line here. Or these two, rather. Because that's not how you can place buildings anymore. Which I don't think you can place buildings. We're gonna have to fix that. Town center could not be yeah, we've... What? What do you mean by that? Ah. Oh, now we have... Now we're back up to 14. Okay, so this is where we have to fix resources. Right. Okay, so that's just coming from test system. Which we don't need anymore because the system... Well, I would say works, but it doesn't. But ignoring the fact that it doesn't work, it does work. If you know what I mean. Okay, and adding a resource storage should now be using a storage module. So I really just have to change the type on all of these. I don't remember how to do this. I don't use the find and replace feature in the OVM enough to, like, remember how to use it. So, like, every time I need it, I have to look it up. And today I won't be bothered. There's a lot going on in this script. Okay, that's all of them done. So they should be working now. No. That's upsetting. It probably just needs to be recompiled. Okay, now we have 10. So outside of the grid script, which is what we're going to focus on last, we've got something in resource storage. Missing partial module. Oh, you have to declare partial on everything. I forgot. Okay, so where else do we need to do this? On building, right? Like partial task. And is there another place? Maybe not. I thought there was a third one. Okay, so building already contains definitions for on-place, on-turn start, and on-turn end. Right. Oh. So I just prefix these with an underscore. Can I get away with that? Okay. There was a third one, and it's on buildings.resource store. Oh, what? Wait. I understand why. It's because it's deriving from building, but we've changed how building works. Actually, we can just delete that. Please let me delete it. Meow. True. Okay, wait. For heh. Okay, so gold storage couldn't be found. Really small test building could not be found. Okay, now we just have to deal with the grid script. How'd you even learn to do what? How did I learn to... Are you the real Astray software? I'm not sure. I'll have to check with my manager. Oh, meow. I don't know. Meow. Hey, swearing isn't cool. That's true. Hi, Trend 33. It's actually Astray hardware. Oh, is that so? Did I delete that? Oh, now I got rid of my window. Oh, now I got rid of the other one. That was a good play. There we go. Okay, time to deal with the horrors. So, what I want to do here, I'm leaving a note. Place. Enter. Can we redeem Meow but it's Astray Meow? What does it Meow redeem even sound? I forgot we had channel points. / fix later. That's basically what I did. Okay, so the issue here is... Oh god, now I have to... Meow. Yeah, but I forgot what it sounds like. Isn't it? True. That is what it sounds like. Do we still have text to speech?
Oh.
Oh. Is yours gonna
Send a
come through?
message.
Oh, yay. Send a message. Whoa, why that noise? Oh, subscribe with Prime. Whoa, thank you. Okay, wait, actually, does that give you the role in the Discord server? Oh, and so it does. It's good knowing I set that up right. To a Barrett Prime. Skeleton Prime. What did you miss? Mobile Twitch sucks. That is true, it does suck. Not much happened. I think. Nothing ever happens. Oh, wait, true? Okay, wait. Don't guess. I'm not. Saw you IRL a few days ago. Oh. Wait, me too, guys. I also did that. Okay, my train of thought's completely broken, but I think I was busy being overwhelmed by this mess. You also saw yourself IRL? No way. Yeah, true. Oh, I don't even. Okay, guys, we're gonna go and play Lethal Company now because I don't want to deal with this. No, slash joke. Shark emoji. No, because what the hell is this? Like. What do I even... New scary Lethal Company monster is just fixing someone's code. True, but it's my code. So it's even worse. That's like as scary as it gets. Okay. So since building derives fixing your mistakes of the past. Yeah. So. Oh, but oh god, it keeps getting more painful. Right. Okay, let's take this one step at a time. Inside place building. We're still gonna have to register the building in the grid. We're still gonna have to add the building to the list. We're still gonna have to call building.onPlace. This all stays the same. Now, so instead, of taking the building, we're gonna have to take in a scene. But I can't remember how you do that exactly. So I'm gonna have to check. Okay. So it is a packed scene. I believe that that's then what we want to take in here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is probably just delete this. So instance is gonna be building dot instantiate. I don't know what this returns. It returns type. So probably building instance.
Meow 3.
Wait, is that true? They are here? Wait, what do you mean by that? Wait. Hold on. Can you elaborate? Would you mind? So I think I can just add child instance. Okay, then basically wherever it says building, I want to replace that with instance. Okay. That wasn't so bad.
Sorry, Emanai. I'm not even angry over you right now. I bear no grudge against anyone. It's just that the world feels so wonderful right now. Throughout heaven and earth, I alone am the honored one. However, even in the Gojo clan only a scant few know about this. Take the amplified and the reversal, then combine those two different expressions of infinity to create and push out imaginary mass. Imaginary technique. Purple.
Oh. Okay, well that one just didn't work.
Wah.
Wait, what is going on? Oh, big money go. Wait, is big money still going? Oh, it's ended. Okay, let me see if I can extend it. How do I even do that? Extend 30 days. Yay. Okay, I have to figure out what I accidentally did with the... Because I think I broke everything by changing something. Yeah. It brokened. 6,000.
Meow 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 meow.
Oh, it doesn't work. It just doesn't work for me.
Meow 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 meow.
Wait, I'm confused. Okay. Well, enough distractions. Enough. So... 62. Drink water. Fine. The drinker. Wait, how do I like... Yay. Can someone explain to me? Okay, I drank the water. Oh, not again. Oh, why are there 3 now? Oh, because there's a drink water from 3 months ago. Okay, wait, let me... Okay. I feel like it's very awkward being able to like... No! And drank water in 3 months. Oh, true. No more water. Right.
Hello water.
Oh, hello. Blub blub blub. True.
Meow 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 meow.
True. You are right about that. What is that thing that I want? Okay, I found it. Back to work. This is still a mess. Okay, so I'm gonna have... Okay, this is probably just gonna be temporary. But I'm gonna define a class. Or a struct even. For building data. And this is gonna contain... Oh wait, is this gonna be serializable? I don't know. But it's gonna contain a fact scene code building scene, and it's gonna contain an integer or an unsigned integer cost. Okay. Wait, I missed a step. What is going on? I think I messed it up. Wait. So, public fact scene. Building. Public. Unsigned int. Cost. Cost. Yeah. Okay. And then I want down here. I'm gonna have export public what? Public building data array code. Yeah, I already have something called that. Whatever. Okay, and then this is gonna be really messy for the time being, but I don't care, not my problem. And this is just gonna be... a civil building 0 dot cost. What am I doing? Yeah, how do you... hold on. There we go. Now I remember how to do that. Why is there an error? Okay, whatever. I'll deal with that later. Oh, ads in 5 minutes, yay. Thanks, Twitch. I love ads, me too. I love how once you reach Twitch affiliate, you have no choice but to run ads on your stream. Okay. Enter place mode. Placeable buildings. 0 dot. That's not how you spell building. What is your problem? Argument 1. Can what? Cannot convert. What is the argument for enter place mode? Building. Does it work now? Cannot convert. What do you mean? Place mode. What? Wait, I was right the first. I'm so bad at this. Yeah. Ah, it's such a pain. Because you can't get any of the information from it. I need to know how big it is. Do I just have to put everything in that? Oh, what is it? Like that? Okay, so now placing building has to be building data. Now I'm gonna get an error somewhere else, which is here. Oh, because it's a non-nullable type. Fix later. Okay, that'll be somewhere else. Okay, over here. Building. Why does building not exist? It existed before, didn't it? Oh no, that's just... okay. The other arrow will be in enter place mode. So this should now be building data. And now this should be built. No. What am I doing? Over here, enter place mode. And now we just use that. Okay. Oh, I've gotten myself in such a pickle. Yay, ad. True. Okay, I'm gonna take a moment. Okay, thanks for the moment. Can have it back now. Anyway. The horrors. Who wrote this code? Okay, so ignore this for now. This shouldn't be an error. Deposit. Okay, wait, maybe this shouldn't be a unsigned integer. Maybe that's making things more annoying. Yeah, okay. See, because if I wrote that code, it would have been an unsigned integer from the start. But I clearly didn't write this code. Evil Twin Astro Hardware did it. True. You must be right. Only someone evil would have written this. Because everyone knows that real code looks like... Okay, wait, let me get the image again. Because everyone knows real code looks like this. Beetle 987 reference? Oh, I don't understand the reference. The reference. Edit. The reference. What I mean. Wait. There's... Okay, people didn't understand that it was a joke, apparently. And I'm getting actual solutions. Now everyone thinks I'm stupid. Damn. Okay, anyway, I don't care. So down here, cannot convert something to something else. Building data, can place building. Okay, so we need to convert can place building to use building data. Are they really suggesting for loops and dictionaries for this? Yeah. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay. Goodbye. Okay, and place building. Isn't the real solution like a subtraction? Yes. Where's the place building code? This is such a mess. No, that's not even what I'm searching for. Place building. Vaccine. Oh wait, so what do we call this? That's giving me the error. Right, so here. Building. Awesome. 3 errors left. Okay, so there's one here. For some reason. Oh no, that's the deletion, not an error. Silly me. We've got the name building does not E. Okay, I'm gonna write a quick function for this, so it's just gonna be like private void temp. What do I even call this? Place building's already used. Pre-place building. See, it's different. Oh, I'm highlighting off these. And we want to pass in like an ID index. And cost. Why don't I do double equals? My brain is not working. If resources.gold is greater than or equal to the cost, then resources dot withdraw type dot gold and the cost. Ah. Enter place mode. Several buildings. Okay. Temporary place building. 0. Ah, line limit. Okay. Enter it again. Input dot is action just pressed. Build building to one. What's that? Delete all that. Oh, but there's more because I left it fixed later. And now it's later. Why do I do this? Okay, so when we place the building, we're gonna exit place mode, which goes here. Okay. So I'm gonna define a const, like a public const, empty. Wait. How do I do the thing I wanna do? The expression B cannot be declared const. It's because it's not constant, is it? Oh no, maybe can you just not declare a constant in the struct? construct just can't be constant. Okay, wait, but how does, like, every other thing do this then? If I go, like... to property... Oh, okay, I get it, I get it. Can I have, like, a public... another empty... and then on get, it's like return that. Okay, but I'm gonna need a constructor. Public building, maybe private. Whatever. Public building data. If this isn't serializable, I'm gonna be very upset. Building data, and then packed scene, building, int cost, I size. Wait, why did I do? Okay, I'm silly. I'm losing it. What 2 hours of dealing my code does. Dealing with? Did I... Is it, whatever, you know what I mean. Building equals building. Cost equals cost. Size equals size. Turn new building data. Okay. And so now the reason I did that is so that we can go in exit place mode. It will just be placing building equals building data dot empty. Does this need to be static? Not that. Okay, yep, that works. And then somewhere else there was like fix later. Yep. Wait. Here we have placing building equals building data dot empty. Oh, okay, now I have to make a comparison operator. I don't even remember how to do this. C# struct define operator. Operator overloading. Public static bool operator. It's that one. Okay, can I have like a good example of how this works then, please? Okay, so you just have building data left, building data right. And then it's if left dot building equals right dot building. Oh, we'll just do not equals and return false. If left dot past not equals right dot past return false. If left dot size not equals right dot size. There's errors. I can't read them there. I still can't read them. I still can't read them. Not all code path return of oh true. Oh, requires what? Requires not equals to be defined. Wow, okay, you're really annoying. Public static bool operator not equals building data left building data right. If left dot building equals right dot building. Why does this even need to be another operator? Why can't it just automatically do this based on what equals is? Like, why do I have to do this? So then in this case, I don't know where the thing that where the code I was writing before was, because I'm complete. Oh, it's here. If it's empty, then exit place mode. Is that everything? Does that mean we can, like, get this to work? Oh, you suck. Okay, so it's not serializable. Well, what the hell do I do now then? The serialize struct. Hmm. Okay, so it looks like the only option really is to use dictionaries. Drink water. Ugh, fine. There you go. Yay. This is so painful. Excruciating pain. So... Okay. So I'm gonna have to delete all of that then. Yay. Okay, so we're gonna be using Godot collections. Oh, which means this is gonna be ambiguous, isn't it? Okay, wait, maybe not. Okay. Oh, but this is just... how... Hmm... What do I even do? I don't know. This feels like a come back to it later type problem. to be honest. Chat, should I play Lethal Company? Or end stream? Wait, let me check something. Let's see. Okay, I may just end stream. 2 hours. I think that's about what I said this would be in the announcement, so yeah. I said only a few hours. This basically counts, right? Okay, well bye. See you in 2 months when I do the next one. Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot we have to raid someone, don't we? Wait, don't leave yet. Calm down. Don't get too ahead of yourself. Okay, who's streaming? Is anyone I know streaming? Please, 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 please. Oh, would you look at that? Someone I know streaming. Well, target acquired. Raid channel. Search. There. Okay. Bye, chat.